I am from Gaugrass Maths Sub. I shall explain question number 2, exercise 5.8. Examine if Rolle's theorem is applicable to the function f of x equal to greatest integer function of x, comma for all x belong to close interval 5, comma 9 close interval. Now come out to solution here. Imply that here I shall write given that f of x equal to greatest integer function of x. For all x belong to close interval 5, 9. So here I can write imply that the value of x can be x equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All integral points. For all x belong to close interval 5, 9 close interval. This means that the value of x will take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All integral points. Here it can be seen that f of x equal to greatest integer function of x. Imply that f dash x equal to d over dx of greatest integer function. Imply that f dash x equal to 0 because d over dx of greatest integer function of x comes out to be 0. But here I shall write since f of x equal to greatest integer function of x is neither continuous nor differentiable at integral points I. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since f of x equal to greatest integer function of x is neither continuous nor differentiable at integral points i.e. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, f of x is not continuous. f of x is not differentiable. Moreover, over f of a not equal to f of b implies that f of 5 is equal to 5 and f of 9 is equal to 9. F of 5 is not equal to f of 9. f of 5 is equal to 5 and f of 9 equal to 9. The f of 5 is not equal to f of 9. Here it can be written as f of 5 is equal to greatest integer function of 5 comes out to be f of 5 is equal to 5. And here also f of 9 is equal to greatest integer function of 9 comes out to be f of 9 is equal to 9. F of 9 is not equal to f of 5 is not equal to f of 9. This one. Hence, Rolle's theorem is not applicable. And f dash x is equal to 0. Conversely, it is not true. From here I shall get f dash x equal to d over dx of greatest integer function of x implies that f dash x is equal to 0. f dash of x equal to 0. Conversely, Rolle's theorem is not true. In this way, I have written this statement. Because Rolle's theorem says if y is equal to fx defined in closed interval a comma b, then f of x is CTS on closed interval a comma b closed interval. Second one, f of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b. Third one, f of a is equal to f of b. Fourth one, then there exists at least one point c belong to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to 0. Rolle's theorem says if y is equal to f of x defined in closed interval a comma b closed interval, then point 1 f of x is CTS on closed interval a comma b closed interval. F dash x is differentiable on open interval a comma b open interval. F of a is equal to f of b. Fourth one is then there exists c belong to open interval a comma b open interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. Here you can see since f of x, since f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x, the greatest integer function is f of x equal to greatest integer function of x is neither continuous. Neither continuous. F of x is not CTS. F of x is not CTS. When f of x is not CTS, CTS means continuous, then f of x will not be differentiable. Moreover, here you can see f of 5 is equal to 5 and f of 9 is equal to 9. So f of a, in place of a, if you write here 5, in place of b, if you write here 9, the f of 5 is not equal to f of 9. The f of a is equal to f of b is not verified here in this case. And also f dash c is equal to 0 must be there. So this condition is not, Rolle's theorem not applicable in this case. And conversely, Rolle's theorem is not true also. Because here f dash is equal to 0 from this point you have got. Then in this case you can't you can't find, if you put here f dash x equal to 0, the f dash c comes out to be 0. The value of c you have got 0. C is equal to 0 you have got. Value of c equal to 0. The value of c you have got here 0. So this value of c equal to 0. So here you can see, here c, here value of c is equal to 0. This 0 implies that 0 not belong to open interval 5 and 9. Value of c you have got here 0. 0 is not belong to open interval 5, 9 open interval. Because if we expand here 5, 9, you will get here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This thing you have got. C is equal to 0 implies that 0 not belong to open interval 5 comma 9 open interval. That's why conversely 0 is not lie. 0 does not lie between 5 and 9. 0 does not lie between 5 and 9. Conversely, Rolle's theorem is not true. In this way, I have explained in detail of question number 2, exercise 5.8, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability, NCERT 12th mathematics. Okay, thanks.